today, the 30th November, Thursday of 2023. We face currently a problem which is occurring on the next day after we did something, and it looks like it works well, but it doesn't work. Here you see a spot. That means the horizontal deflection as well as the deflection, the circular deflection, isn't working. And because the circuitry is built in so dense that we cannot access the problem currently, and we have decided to change the whole setup here, and we will relocate it to here. You see, this is the exhibition Secret Communications 4, which will end on Sunday, the 17th of December 2023. Then I will, or they will, Carl and Mark will remove these apparatus, and they will put it or store it next somewhere else in our museum, so that we have instantly place now to make repair setup. Here for you, for information, this is the transmitting pulse loaded with a dummy load. The dummy load just visible here is our dummy load, which is in fact only being loaded with a few microwatts, and the signal itself is the transmitting pulse here, and this broader is in fact representing the 124 megahertz. You can see it here. This is in fact the sine wave of 124 megahertz, and it is actually gated by the Nachtfee pulse in 2 millisecond bursts. Thank you.